Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm so glad you're here today because it's going to be my 2023 Decorate With Me for Valentine's Day. So I'm super excited to show you guys how I decorated my house. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Callie. I'm a stay-at-home mom to two girls. My oldest is 6 and my youngest is almost 3. And I love to decorate for each season. And so that's mainly what my channel is all about. And I also hope to just kind of spark a little bit of joy in your day and show you how I decorated my house for each and every season. So if you're new, definitely think about subscribing. I would love to have you. Give this video a big thumbs up and let's go ahead and jump on in. Alright, so I wanted to just kind of lay out all of my Valentine's stuff on our dining room table just to kind of see what I have. I also bought a few new pieces from Hobby Lobby this year that I will be incorporating, but I like to lay everything out and just kind of see what I have before I put it somewhere so that I can kind of get an idea of where I might want to put it. So it's not a ton. I am just going to kind of sprinkle it throughout my home, in my dining room, living room, and kitchen. And I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So let's go ahead and jump on in. So I really just wanted to keep it pretty simple in my dining room. We do eat at this table multiple times a day, so I didn't want to have to move a ton of stuff every time we ate. So I just kept it really simple, this little riser, and then I have these really cute little floral placemats that I thought would go perfectly for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to add those as well, and then that will complete my dining room table, and we will move into my living room to work on my coffee table. So my coffee table is one of my favorite things to decorate. I don't know why. It's so simple, but I think it's so much fun to decorate. And I just have this really fun love is in the air sign that I got off of Etsy. And then I'm just going to add this really pretty floral arrangement that I got from Kirkland's a few years ago. I love the pops of red, and I think it just really ties in nicely with the sign. And then I'm going to add this Paris Cafe candle. This is my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works, and I thought, why not add this? The city of love is Paris, right? So just add this to my coffee table. And the scent, you guys, if you have not smelled it, oh my word, run out and get one right now. It smells so good. I always stock up when I see it in stock. And then I'm just going to add this family photo and a few other little heart accents, and we will be done with my coffee table. With magic. So moving back into my dining room, I'm gonna work on my little cutie corner hutch. And for Valentine's Day, I just wanted to add pops of red and some heart details. She's been kind of bare since Christmas, and so I just wanted to add a little bit of color back in. I bought a few new little plates and things from Hobby Lobby that I thought worked really well in here. And I'm just gonna kind of add in what I already had and add in a few new pieces that I picked up this year, this being one of them. This is one of my favorite things that I have in my hutch. I think it's so cute. And then I'm just gonna add in pops of red and Valentine's inspired things, as well as some hearts and all the things that go along for Valentine's Day. I'm just gonna kind of play around with them and see how I like them. And then we will move on to my kitchen.
Looking for a calling, felt lonely in a crowd. I was searching for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was always by my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. I saw a ray of hope, and he led me out the dark. God's forever faithful, he'll always lift you up. I was looking for the
So moving into my kitchen, I like to just add a few pieces to kind of bring in seasonal decor because my kitchen is relatively small. And so I don't like to overcrowd my countertops because I need them for space. So I like to just add a few items beside the kitchen sink where I have a little bit of extra space to work with, and above my cabinets, put little wreaths on my cabinets. I think that's a really great way to add some flair to my kitchen without using counter space. And I know I decorate the same little areas over and over again in my kitchen, but it's really the only space that I have to work with because I am limited on counter space. And so I just try to add little pieces here and there to give a little bit of seasonal decor and make it look cutesy and bring in just those different seasons throughout the year.
greatest love, the greatest love there is.
I remember when we used to be in love, and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone, and all I have is
Alright, so moving into this corner of my kitchen, I just added all of these fun things on this little circular tray. And then I found this really pretty candle warmer off of Amazon, and I love that it looks like a little miniature lamp. I think it's so pretty, and it looks gorgeous in here at night. I'll link it down below for you guys because I'm obsessed with it. And then I am going to add some little mini festive Valentine's Rice Krispie treats to this cheese cloche. And I bought these from Sam's a few weeks ago because me and my little one were in there, my 3-year-old, and she kept pointing at these Rice Krispie treats, and I was like, okay, you know, these will be perfect for snacks. I could also use them for her little gift bags for Valentine's Day, and I also thought they'd be a really cute decorative piece in my kitchen as well. Perfect for snack time. Just come in and grab one as you're coming home from school, and I think it turned out so cute. It's just a little added bonus to my kitchen. So that's how this little corner turned out, and that's all I'm going to decorate in my kitchen. But I'm going to move into my living room and decorate my entryway and my blanket ladder as well.
Cause after all this time, you're still on my mind. Oh, I'll never forget you, baby. Oh, I'll never forget you, baby. Oh, I'll never forget you. Oh, I'll never forget you, baby. I'll never forget. I have walked through the darkest valley. I was lost, couldn't find my way. But then I heard him from within, he who died for my sins. He spoke my name, then I saw his face. Yes, I've seen his eternal glory. I felt his hand when I was astray. I never knew until then what his love truly meant. I was lost, but now I'm found by his grace. By his grace. By his grace, I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By his grace, I've been saved by the grace of my.
So if you've been around my channel for a while, you guys know that I love to decorate my blanket ladders with wreaths. I think it's just a really fun way to add a little something extra to your blanket ladder. And this wreath I've had for a few years, but I love it for the winter and spring months. And for Valentine's Day, I thought I'm just going to go ahead and stick these little stickers on there that I've had for a few years. I got them off of Amazon. I've also seen them at Hobby Lobby, so check there as well. But I just stick some little stickers on there just to give it a little bit of Valentine's Day flair. Nola, my 6-year-old, she was helping me take the backs off the stickers and add them to the wreath. But it's just a really fun way to add a little bit of extra Valentine's flair. And then I'm going to add my blankets as well. And it's just a really cute little corner in my house, and I love it.
Always there through hope and despair. And when I'm lost,
So moving on to my entryway table, we're going to add a few little pieces here. This is my oldest, Nola. She asked that I wait on her to put the jelly beans in the container. I really think she just wanted to eat some of them secretly. And so she was like, oh yeah, I'll help my mom and she'll give me some of these jelly beans. I think that was her whole game plan. But I'm just going to go ahead and finish decorating this area as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the spirit of talking about love, I just want to say that I hope you guys know that God loves you and is always there for you. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.